What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 126, basically failed to load Custom.dll from your list of sections, right? So let's get around to this. So this can happen to like a variety of applications or games, and it's related to your antivirus. So what you want to do is go to your search bar and type in virus and threat protection, and there's basically two ways to fix this. The first thing is you can go into the protection history and see what was like basically blocked or quarantined here, and you can allow that through. Most likely you'll see that DLL file that we're discussing. The next thing to do is, this one, I don't overall recommend it, but it's essentially you can turn off your antivirus system itself, right? You can basically go to your manage settings and then essentially turn off real-time protection and all that other protection components over here. Now, I don't overall recommend it because you could get hacked, you could get a virus, all that bad stuff could happen. But if you're trying to play a game and this is happening with that specific game, because this could be a false positive, it's thinking that specific game or file or application is basically a virus, you essentially turn it off and you don't go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Motorola's out. Peace.